criminal laws, namely the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam with effect from 1st July 2024. Various rules have to be framed and enforced as per these three new criminal laws, and today the Cabinet has approved 3 of these rules as part of the ongoing process to bring various rules under the ambit of these new criminal laws. These rules have been provided, the model rules, by the Government of India, the Ministry of Home Affairs, and after due consultation with the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, which is required as per the procedure, with their consent, the Cabinet today has approved these 3 new criminal rules, which I will elaborate upon. The first is called the Meghalaya eSAKSHYA Management Rules 2025. This is the rule to ensure that all evidence that is collected in electronic format, be it videos, be it photographs, are securely uploaded on a mobile application called eSAKSHYA, which will be secured with a 16-digit code and a hashtag, and these are linked to the CCTNS system and the ICJS system, which is the interoperable criminal justice system, which works in a way where courts have access to the system, the Directorate of Prosecution have access, and once this electronic evidence in the form of video or photograph which is collected by the police during investigation is uploaded, a unique ID is generated so that this can be then brought as evidence in the court proceeding during trial, and then it is secure and tamper-proof because it has a timestamp, it has a geo tag, it has this 16-digit code, a unique SID. So this will ensure that the evidence collected is having full integrity, it is tamper-proof, and the courts can then rely on this video evidence, photograph evidence, to try cases under various provisions of the criminal laws.